Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your PC so the Android app runs smoothly. First, make sure virtualization is enabled in BIOS and your emulator is 64-bit with at least 4 GB RAM assigned. Once done, install a modern emulator like BlueStacks or LD Player and confirm it boots. Then place the Vanced Manager APK and a micro-G APK in an accessible folder. You need micro-G to sign into Google services. This gets you immediately into installation mode. You now perform the core install steps inside the emulator. First, enable unknown sources and sideload Vanced Manager, then use it to install micro-G before attempting YouTube Vanced. Installing micro-G ensures account sign-in and notifications work. After that, choose the non-root or root build depending on your emulator and install YouTube Vanced. Once installed, open Vanced and configure theme, add blocking, picture-in-picture, and background playback. These settings are why Vanced behaves like native YouTube, but without ads. You finish by signing into Google through micro-G and verifying core functions. Add removal, background audio, and picture-in-picture. If something fails, clear app data and reinstall micro-G first, because sign-in issues are common. Next, reinstall Vanced if crashes persist. Make sure the emulator ABI matches the APK ARM64 versus x86, and toggle virtualization and assigned RAM if performance is bad. Finally, export or backup the APKs and configuration so you can restore or move the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.